Meet our new IPSO heat pump tumble dryers. They're designed with one clear goal: to make the drying process more efficient by rethinking how heat is used. In conventional dryers, warm air is created, pushed through the drum, and released. The heat is used once and then lost. In these machines, things work differently. Air and energy stay inside the system. They circulate in a closed loop where heat is recovered, reused, and kept under continuous control. Here's what happens. First, warm, humid air leaves the drum and passes through a cold heat exchanger. As the air cools, moisture condenses and is removed from the airflow. At the same time, the heat contained in that air is captured by a circulating refrigerant through the cold heat exchanger. Next, the refrigerant is compressed. Its temperature rises. That recovered heat is transferred back to the process air through a hot heat exchanger. The air is brought back to the right drying temperature and returned to the drum, ready to continue the cycle. This closed loop keeps running. There's no need to restart the heating process each time. An intelligent control system adjusts refrigerant flow, pressure, and heat exchanger temperatures, keeping the drying process stable from the first minute to the last. Because the heat pump unit is fully integrated into the machine, the dryers remain compact. In fact, up to 450 millimeters of depth are saved compared to the previous generation, without sacrificing thermal efficiency or increasing installed power requirements. The result is a new generation of IPSO tumble dryers. Shorter cycle times, lower energy consumption, and consistent drying results across a wide range of load sizes. These heat pump models are part of the IPSO Tumble Dryer line, built on the proven IPSO platform, with the same robust construction, components, and design principles found across the range.